Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way how you can download Apollo Group TV app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. Now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store, depending on what device you are using. And to do so, we'll go to search. Here it is. Let's open the search bar and just start typing Downloader in the search. As you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. So here they are, you gotta click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, we'll go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to Install Unknown Apps, and turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of applications on your device. Here it is, click on that button, and when it loads, you will see Downloader right here. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great application for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or any other device you may use, so you can secure all your devices at the same time with one subscription. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing. In the VPN app, you just connect to any location, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's extremely important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader safely. Then just go to the list of apps on your device and finally we can start using Downloader. So we open it, then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. After that, you see that search bar, which we'll use to enter a link. So let's open it, and here we'll have to enter the link to open a website of Apollo Group. You'll see the link on your screen in a moment. So here's the link, it's apollogroup.tv. Make sure to enter the link exactly as you see on your screen, and do not make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work for you, obviously. So enter the link, and then after you confirmed it's correctly entered, you gotta click on Go. And now the website of Apollo TV should open. Then you have to keep scrolling the website until you see that section where you'll see the download buttons, and we'll be needing the Android TV version. So here's Android TV, then you just need to click on Download right here, and now the download of Apollo Group TV is going to start. As you can see, it happens really fast, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Then just click Install, and now it's being installed to our Fire Stick. Should be done in a couple of moments. Let's wait a bit. And here it is, the installation is finished. However, do not click Open yet. Instead, we have to press on Done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore, so do not clog the memory of your Fire Stick with unnecessary installation files. Click on Delete, and then delete once again. After that, we can finally go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, it's loading for us. And then if you scroll down, you'll find Apollo Group TV application right here. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the Apollo Group TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then of course don't forget to use a VPN to stay safe and private online. Once again, use the link in the pinned comment below to get 4 months of VPN for free.